Welcome back to my channel Luxury Drive Car. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting electric performance cars on the planet, the 2025 Tesla Model S Plaid. Tesla has been leading the EV revolution for years, but the Plaid takes things to an entirely new level. If you thought the previous Model S was impressive, wait until you hear about what Tesla has done for 2025. We're talking about mind-blowing acceleration, cutting-edge technology, and enhancements that push the boundaries of what an electric car can do. Whether you're a Tesla fan, an EV skeptic, or just love fast cars, this is a vehicle you'll want to know everything about. Buckle up, because we're about to explore every detail of performance, design, interior, features, and of course, how it stacks up against its competition. Performance. Let's start with what everyone wants to know. How fast is the 2025 Tesla Model S Plaid? In one word, insane. The 2025 version retains Tesla's tri-motor setup, delivering an eye-watering 1020 horsepower. That means a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 1.98 seconds under ideal conditions. That's hypercar territory, and it's still one of the fastest production cars on the market today. Tesla's advanced electric powertrain and instant torque make the Plaid a monster off the line. Unlike traditional gasoline supercars that rely on revving engines and gear shifts, the Plaid delivers seamless acceleration that feels almost unreal. Top speed. Tesla claims 200 miles per hour when properly equipped with the track package. And thanks to continued refinements in aerodynamics and cooling, the 2025 model maintains its ability to handle high speeds for longer durations. The car's power comes from an updated battery pack, offering improved thermal management for better sustained performance. Tesla hasn't drastically increased range, but it still offers an impressive estimated range of around 390 miles. Depending on driving conditions. But it's not just about straight-line speed. Tesla has worked hard on making the Plaid a true performance machine in the corners as well. The low center of gravity, thanks to the battery placement, combined with revised adaptive air suspension, means this car can take on tight corners like a high-end sports car. Tesla's software updates continuously refine the handling dynamics, ensuring that owners always get the best performance possible. Design. Exterior. At first glance, the 2025 Model S Plaid doesn't look drastically different from previous versions. But Tesla's design philosophy is all about evolution rather than revolution. The sleek, aerodynamic shape remains, but Tesla has fine-tuned the body for even better efficiency. The subtle tweaks in the front bumper and rear diffuser improve airflow, reducing drag and helping with high-speed stability. One of the biggest changes is the introduction of new wheel options that not only enhance aesthetics but also improve aerodynamics and efficiency. Tesla offers a mix of 19-inch and 21-inch wheels, depending on whether you prioritize range or performance. New for 2025, Tesla has introduced updated LED matrix headlights, providing better illumination and an improved adaptive lighting system that adjusts based on road conditions and traffic. It's a small but welcome upgrade that makes night driving even safer. The Model S Plaid also gets fresh paint options, including a stunning deep space blue and ultra red that really pop under sunlight. These new colors, combined with Tesla's signature minimalist design, make the Plaid a head-turner on the road. Interior comfort. Step inside, and you're greeted by Tesla's signature futuristic interior. The centerpiece remains the massive 17-inch touchscreen, which controls nearly every function of the car. For 2025, the display features improved responsiveness and an upgraded UI, making it even more intuitive to use. Tesla has also improved the rear seat experience. Passengers in the back now get an updated 8-inch screen with better gaming capabilities and media controls. The rear seats themselves have been redesigned for improved comfort, offering better cushioning and more lateral support. One of the most controversial aspects of the Plaid's interior is the yoke steering wheel. While Tesla initially made it the standard option, the company now gives buyers the choice of a traditional round steering wheel. This change comes after mixed feedback from customers, proving Tesla is listening to its users. The sound system remains one of the best in the industry. The premium 22-speaker setup delivers an immersive audio experience. Whether you're listening to music, watching movies, or using Tesla's built-in karaoke mode, climate control has also been improved. Tesla's updated vac system now includes better air filtration, ensuring a cleaner and more comfortable cabin environment. The smart climate system learns your preferences and adjusts airflow dynamically, making every drive more enjoyable. Technology Autopilot. Tesla has always been at the forefront of automotive technology, and the 2025 Model S Plaid continues that tradition. The infotainment system is powered by Tesla's latest in-house chip, making it faster and more capable than ever. Whether you're navigating through the UI, using Tesla Arcade to play games, or streaming your favorite shows, everything feels smooth and responsive. FSD, or Full Self-Driving, has also seen major improvements. While it's still not fully autonomous, Tesla continues refining the system with regular software updates. The 2025 version features enhanced lane detection, better response to complex intersections, and smoother highway driving. For those who love road trips, Tesla's navigation system integrates real-time supercharger availability and smart route planning, ensuring you never have to worry about running out of charge. Tesla has also expanded voice command capabilities. Now, you can control more functions using natural language, making interactions with the car even more seamless. Charging efficiency. One of the biggest advantages of owning a Tesla is access to its vast supercharger network. With V4 superchargers rolling out, the 2025 Model S Plaid can charge even faster, adding around 200 miles of range in just 15 minutes. Home charging has also improved, with Tesla's wall connector now offering smarter energy management for those using solar power. This means you can optimize charging based on energy availability, reducing costs and maximizing efficiency. Battery longevity remains a strong point. Tesla's battery management system ensures minimal degradation over time, meaning owners can expect their Model S Plaid to retain excellent range even after years of driving. Comparison with rivals. So how does the 2025 Tesla Model S Plaid stack up against the competition? Let's start with the Lucid Air Sapphire. Lucid's flagship Performance F offers similar power and range, but Tesla's supercharger network still gives it an edge in charging convenience. Then there's the Porsche Taycan Turbo GT. While the Taycan delivers incredible driving dynamics and Porsche's legendary engineering, it falls short in range and charging speed compared to the Plaid. If we compare it to traditional gasoline supercars, the Plaid embarrasses most of them in acceleration. Even hypercars that cost millions struggle to match its instant torque and off-the-line performance. Tesla's real competition in 2025 comes from upcoming F supercars from brands like Rimac, Lotus, and even Ferrari. But the Plaid still offers the best mix of practicality, range, and sheer speed for the price. Pricing. Final thoughts. The 2025 Tesla Model S Plaid remains one of the best performance Fs money can buy. With a starting price of around $108,000, it's not cheap, but when you compare it to gas-powered supercars that cost twice or even 3 times as much, it's a bargain for the performance you get. Tesla's continuous software updates mean the car keeps improving over time, making it a smarter long-term investment. So, is the 2025 Tesla Model S Plaid worth it? If you want one of the fastest, most technologically advanced, and practical electric cars on the market, the answer is a resounding yes. That wraps up today's deep dive into the 2025 Tesla Model S Plaid. What do you think about Tesla's latest improvements? Would you choose the Plaid over its competitors? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest cars. See you in the next one. Please subscribe to my channel and share with like. Please subscribe.